5-stage HVLP turbine, really heavy duty, and this sprayed with a textured finish. In the back of the van, you're going to get way less scratches. Double filtration on both sides, and this is going to put in way more air and keep the fan motor way cooler. Locking mechanism for your gun, so nice and sturdy. Quick release setting on there as well, so on the hose, that hose will just literally clip straight in, and also really easy for carrying, really lightweight as well. Now guys, honestly, compared to our competitors, this is probably 3 times lighter. Everyone absolutely loves it. Really easy to get around the jobs and out of jobs. Really flexible there. So the whip's actually built in, and that again is really heavy duty. I don't know if anybody's had experience with the brakes and the whip hoses. I tell you now, this thing is so much heavier duty on that whip section, so you're going to get way less brakes, and that's going to last you so much longer, if not forever. So moving on to my absolute favourite part of this machine is the gun. Really nice and easy to take off. The air regulation is actually on the gun rather than on the bottom of the hose, so the mix ratio between the paint and the air is a lot more precise. You'll have your airflow at the top there, and then your fluid at the bottom. When you're adjusting your fan, all you have to do is dial it round like so. Another great benefit is that you can have actually suction or gravity. Really lightweight, really slim. I would say this is more like a compressor gun than it is a turbine gun. It's just a pleasure to use. Really easy trigger pull. One of the benefits that we absolutely love is you can actually change this over to a compressor feed. So all you do is put your compressor fitting onto the bottom of that gun, and then you can actually run that off your compressor. The gun is the Pro 5000 spray gun, and it will come with its own case. So every machine that we sell will give away a free case. And as you can see, inside this case, you have all your air caps, you have all your cleaning kits, your spanners, your bottle of oil there, the valve I was talking about a minute ago with your screw cap, your tools, and all of your needles and nozzle sets. So when you're going between jobs, you can lock it all down, put it into your case, have all your stuff together in order, so when you get to these jobs and put out, you've got all your parts with you. So you've got 1 needle in there at the moment, but you can have the 4 needle nozzle sets in there. This gun case, you'll get up to 3 air caps inside there, and that will then suit every single one of those needles that this machine goes up to.